Friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali. In this video, we are going to discuss important MCQs on people, development and environment for paper 1 for upcoming Northeast set examination. Friends, in upcoming 3-4 videos, we will complete MCQs on all the topics from people, development and environment. Friends, as you all know, we are providing you 40 mock test series for paper 1. Okay, here each mock test is having 50 questions. It means you are preparing for 2000 MCQs here. Okay, and also you are providing 1000 MCQs and 100 MCQs on each unit. Okay, totally you are prepared here for 3000 MCQs for paper 1, and also you can download PDF with answers, and we are also providing you notes on each unit. Okay, all these mock test plus 1000 MCQs plus notes are available only at rupees 599. I think it is very minimum amount, and to join for these tests you can contact to the given number. The number is displayed on the screen, and also I will give this number in the description box. Friend, please remember here all these 40 tests plus 1000 MCQs are very helpful to boost your preparation for Northeast set examination. As you all know the importance of paper 1, so I am suggesting you to subscribe for these 40 tests, and you will also get 1000 MCQs plus notes on each unit. Okay friends, and once if you subscribe to these 40 tests, you will be added to our paid WhatsApp group which is especially made for the Northeast set, where we will provide the link to the test and you can download the PDF of the mock test. Okay, it is very easy to access our test through our WhatsApp group, and also you can access through our website also. So friends, I hope you all will join for this mock test. Friends, once if you join, then you only tell that sir, these mock tests are very helpful for our preparation. So let us move to the questions. Okay, here the first question is, a food web is to show option A, how feeding relationships are interlinked, option B, how several food chains are connected together, option C, who eats what, option D, all of the above. Friends, a food web, you all know, I think here the right answer is option D, all of the above is the correct answer. And friends, what do you mean by food web? You can come to know by observing this given picture. Okay, a food web is the natural interconnection of food chains. Okay, please remember it. It is an interconnection of the food chains, and also it is the graphical representation of what eats what. Okay, here you can observe this picture here, what eats what. So, and another name for food web is consumer resource system. Please remember this. A question may asked on this. A food web is also known as the consumer resource system. Okay friends, I hope you got it. Let us move to the next question. The existence of atmosphere on the earth is due to option A, the revolution of the earth around the sun, option B, the rotation of the earth, option C, the gravitational force of the earth, option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option C, the gravitational force of the earth. Okay, the existence of atmosphere on the earth is due to gravitational force of the earth. Please remember this answer. And the next question is, the transfer of food energy through a chain of organisms from one trophic level to another is known as option A, energy chain, option B, food chain, option C, trophic chain, option D, organism chain. Here the correct answer is option B, food chain is the right answer. And friends, what do you mean by food chains? A food chain is a linear network of links in food web. Okay, starting from producer and ending it with the predator species. Okay, we can also call it as decomposer species. Please remember it. Food chain will start from producers and end with the decomposer species. Okay, a food chain also shows how the organisms are related with each other by food they eat. Please remember this. Then each level of a food chain represents different trophic level. Okay, here also question may come. Please remember this line. Each level of a food chain represents a different trophic level. And please go through this image. You will come to know what do you mean by food chains. Okay, this picture is an example for the food chains. Okay, let us move to the next question. Population consists of option A, organisms in a species that are capable of reproducing among themselves. Option B, different species that can interbreed. Option C, collective members of a species living and interacting across the biosphere. Option D, some organisms that may not belong to any species. Friends, here the right answer for this question is option C, collective members of species living and interacting across the biosphere is known as the population. So please remember this. Let us move to the next question. Energy pyramid is option A, always inverted. Option B, always horizontal. Option C, sometimes diagonal. Option D, none of the above. Friends, as you know, energy pyramid is always, it is vertical, it is always, yes, vertical or upright or inverted. Okay, here you can see about the energy pyramid. Energy pyramid, it is always upright or vertical. Please remember this. And what does it show? It shows the flow of energy at different trophic levels. And energy is minimum at highest trophic level and it is maximum at lowest trophic level. Very important sentence, please remember it. Energy is minimum at highest trophic level and it is maximum at lowest trophic level. Here you can see the picture of the energy pyramid. Okay, first comes producers, then primary consumers, then secondary consumers, at the end tertiary consumers. Okay, let us move to the next question. Total organic matter in an ecosystem is called option A, biome. Option B, biotic community. Option C, plants. Option D, biomass. Total organic matter in an ecosystem is known as the biomass. So option D, biomass is the right answer. And the next question is, a temperature inversion is a condition where the air, option A, near the ground is lighter. Option B, near the ground is cooler than air at the higher altitudes. Option C, near the ground is hotter than that at higher altitude. Option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option B, a temperature inversion is a condition when the air near the ground is cooler than air at the higher altitudes. Please remember the answer. Let us move to the next question. Okay, here you can see information about temperature inversion. It is also called thermal inversion. Please remember friends, temperature inversion, it is also known as the thermal inversion. Okay, it is a reversal of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere. Okay, temperature inversion, it is the reversal of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere. Okay, in which a layer of cool air at the surface is overlain by a layer of warmer air. Here you can see normal condition. This picture is related to normal condition and this picture is related to temperature inversion. Okay, here what happens here in temperature inversion? Okay, it is the reversal of the normal behavior of the temperature. Okay, it takes place in the troposphere, in the first layer of the atmosphere, and in where the layer of cool air, here you can see where the layer of cool air at the surface is overlain by a layer of warmer air. So it is known as the temperature inversion. I hope you understood it. Let us move to the next question. Okay, in an ecotone, the species which become abundant are called option A, keystone species. Option B, endemic species. Option C, edge species. Option D, poster species. Okay, here the right answer is, in an ecotone, the species which become abundant are called edge species. So option C, edge species is the right answer. The next question is, in which of the following layers of the atmosphere ozone gas is present? Okay, ozone is denoted by O3. Please remember it. Okay, stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, none of the above. I hope everyone know this answer. The right answer is stratosphere. Yes, ozone layer presents in the stratosphere. Okay, the next okay, here you can read the information. Most ozone, about 90%, is found in the stratosphere. Okay, stratosphere, it is about 10 to 16 kilometers or 6 to 10 miles, and it is the above the earth surface. Okay, it is above the earth surface. It is 10 to 16 kilometers and it extends up to 50 kilometers or 31 miles. Okay, the stratosphere region with the highest ozone concentration is commonly known as ozone layer. Okay, let us move to the next question. The most dynamic layer of the atmosphere in terms of climatic and weather condition, which is the most dynamic layer in terms of climatic and weather condition, that is option A troposphere, ionosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere. Okay, the right answer is option A troposphere, because here climatic and weather condition will take place. So troposphere is known as the dynamic layer of the atmosphere. Okay, the total amount of, okay friends, okay, I'm sorry. The next question is assertion and reason question is there. Here the assertion is conserving our soil resources is critical to human survival. The assertion is conserving our soil resources is critical to human survival. Reason is soil is home to many microorganisms and contains minerals. Okay, the right and the four options are there. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of answer of assertion. Option C, A is true, R is false. Option 4, A is false, R is true. Okay, in these type of questions, first read the assertion carefully, then try to know whether it is correct or no, then read the reason, then understand whether it is right or no, then you can try to build a relationship between assertion and reason. Okay, here the right answer is option 2, both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of answer. Okay, the next question is among the following fuels of energy, which is the most environment friendly? Option A ethanol, option B biogas, option C CNG, option D hydrogen. The right answer is option D, hydrogen is known as the environment friendly fuel. Okay friends, this is about our today's session, and once again I would like to remind you about our test series where we are providing you 40 tests with 1000 MCQs. On each unit you are getting 100 MCQs. It means here 40 tests means here each test is having 50 questions from all the units. Means you will be prepared for 2000 MCQs, and also you are getting 1000 MCQs on each unit. Means totally you are prepared for 3000 MCQs. If you study this 3000 MCQs, in my opinion you will score more than 70 in the paper 1. Okay, and also you can get PDF with answers, and also we are providing you notes on each unit. Okay, all these are available only at rupees 599. To join for this test, you can contact to the given number. The number is displayed on the screen. It is 8179138413. Okay friends, and already you know about our WhatsApp group, especially made for the Northeast Set examination. And thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. For UGC NET, for MS Set, for KSET videos, for mock tests, you can subscribe to our Global Online University YouTube channel. Thank you, and I wish all the best who are appearing for the Northeast.